All right, so this is my trading for my notes. Man, this thing's taken off. This is the emini ES 928 2023. And here is my thought process. Everything is going up or lined up in the positive. Let's go to charts. If you'll notice, everything is positive up here. This is the 15-minute chart, and here's the book map. And I did not take this trade right here, which I was going to, and I did not. And that turned out to be the one that was a long stop right there. You would have had to been quick on the gun. It hit resistance. There was a lot of resistance. Let me show you if I can. At the 30 area. Let's see. Yeah, so this area right here, if you look back here, and this is from my personal notes, but I'm just showing anybody that's watching the video what I was thinking. And excuse me, all this was it hit the resistance right there. You'll see, boom, it stopped it, came back down. There was a lot of resistance right there, or I should say liquidity. And then I got in on this one. If you notice, and I traded my other account. That's why the thing is not showing up. The trades are not showing up on this chart. I have two accounts. And let's see, so I traded this right here above. Actually, I had it above this high, my buy stop. And when it broke above, I think I was in at 28.50 is where I got in. And it went up again. And when it hit the uh, liquidity up here at 30 again, all that was, it was right here. Let's see. Yeah, so all this liquidity, daggone it. Okay, that was here. It kind of went away. And if you notice, the book map right here, this is just showing the liquidity of where all the orders are. Like everything's bullish. And so I was looking at 35. There was a lot of more liquidity, which is also resistance at that time. So I took my profit at 34. So when that, let's see, there were 256 shares at 335, or contracts, I should say. And I said, well, I'm going to front run it, get out at 34. And so, but it continues. Look at it. It's going on up. There was liquidity up here at 40. See that? And if I just kept the runner, because I had two contracts, I just went ahead and got out, though. I didn't want to stay in the game too long, but it was going right up to the R1, which is the first resistance on this chart. And it could keep going up because look at 43. There's liquidity still up here, 44.75. I would probably, if I hadn't gotten out already, I definitely would be having a target of this R1 because that is it's a safe bet. It's already busted, but look, here's the liquidity here at 40. It's already gone through it, but that doesn't mean it can't turn around and come back. But everything, the DMI, this is the DMI and this is the MACD. Everything is showing it's going up. So, but I've already made my profit and I'm done. So I just wanted to throw that in my notes, and I did not get in until here. I didn't trade this above this high with the line break, mainly because this was not in agreement yet. See this area right here where the DMI is looking like it wants to go down. This is going up. There's a lot of indecision. So what I was waiting for was a breakout to the north because of the MACD was all these volume candles here were looking strong going up. And then I waited for the pullback to around the 20 or 21 moving average, and it hit it. Let's look and see what it looks like on the 5-minute. That is the 2-minute I was just trading. Yeah, so here's a clearer view where it came down right around close to the 21. This gold line is a 14. So I went, no, wait a minute, the gold line is a 9, I'm sorry. And that's the trade for the day. And I'm done. I hope you had a good trading day. And I appreciate you watching. And as I said before, these are just for my notes, so you can take it for what it's worth. I mean, I suggest you doing something like I'm doing. You don't have to publish it for everybody, but keeping a lot of people keep handwritten notes, and I'll tell you what, I'll never go back and look at it. I mean, and I won't know what I'm looking at unless I have a chart to go with it. So I'm just talking on what I was thinking at the time and my trade evaluation. And oh, here's something else I want to point out. As these things started moving up, they started adding liquidity on up higher, higher, higher. So I've only been doing Bookmap probably 6 months, and I'm trying to learn as much as I can about it, um, and what to look for. And I just like right now, I'm looking. There's liquidity added back down here, but it's still strong. Once it breaks, if it breaks this 41, it could go on up to 45. I mean, who knows? It's wherever the big money's headed. So that's what drives the market. But anyway, appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next video. Hope you had a good trading day.